Pidon kam nong shondor ne nong ringdor hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi pun syangi ngin penle mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mensi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei da ka jingkmen halor kajing la jong menteri rangba ka sorkar jela ukonrat kongkal sangma ban pun urlong ya ka wei ni kijing kular jongu ha ka singi ke bawan yukjat ya ka sor umsning haribah distrik kabalolong ha ka arpoi terik unai wing acara pesan menta ka janmet nagaliang ginong ilam shenong ka than umsning ha ka jingilam jong chairman ka umsning town dorbar uba roki kala ha ka jingi don lang ru jong u MLA ka than Dr. Celestine Lengdo la pli pai ba ya ki street light ki bala penmang jingiram dong menteri rongba sya ka sor umsning ka ba kini kijing ai ya kini street light kande kijing ai sungu bah Christmas ye ki pai ba ka sor umsning lane ka Christmas gift kum kijing sedang ban pendon kam ban pentri kam no ye kini street light ki bala ai jingiram dong menteri rongba menta ka janmet Uchairman ka umsning town dorbar uba roki kala ula khap yo ribbon haga jinga sikhilang u MLA ka than Dr. Celestine Lengdo nangta ki rangba shnong ki bha phapo umsning town dorbar ki nong ilam ban ki khot ka seng long kmi umsning pelun ki nong ilam ka umsning sports and cultural club lembat ki wei la ban kedau baga jingyo ye kini streetlight ha padeng sor umsning kalalong ka jingkur khu ka bakrau ye ki paiba ka than ki badon halagi kam ki badon kam maniat ki jan ki ba shong di jing di kiba ap kali bat kalawan ka jingskan namar ka jingsha jong sor umsning baro kawai kebala pencendran ye ki bejule hi ki kam sniu ni ki kam bian kiba kenthop nadu ga shong dikyat ha lenti ha singkin ka kam tu ka kam them bat kiwe bat kini ka jingyo ye kini street light ka wanra ye ki jingskan ha ga yat ke yeng jong gi ba la ruban kdo begini street light on bu hasilenter ka surong ba kentup de ya ki jeka ki bom isengan ki bedang hap apa ka umsning town dorbar na ka benta ka jingsengan jong pai ba shnong bat la ban nong ba ka sor umsning kala thabahi kriak da ki street light ki ba ai sung ba dong menteri rang ba sya ka sor umsning shispa san phau teli bat kum ki jing sungu ye ki jing le ba jong menteri rang ba ki nong elam ka than gila pha ye ka kobar Christmas syaw menteri rang ba rengkat ru ka kerkhu ke kerdo pa undang syait dang klan badang la susu bantri bah kumunong ilam na kebenta ka bit ka biang jong gipat ba ka jelah
Before I cut this ribbon for inauguration of this solar street light, so given by the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. So thanks to our Honorable Chief Minister for giving this solar light to the Muslim town dorbar as a Christmas gift. But I cut this ribbon along with our MLA, Sri Dr. Celestine Lengdo. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for giving us this solar street light as a Christmas gift. To everybody, say thank you. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, sir.
Greetings from the Umsning Town Dorbar, dear Sir Conrad Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. We extend our best wishes, Merry Christmas in advance and Happy New Year to you and your loved ones. We are very delighted and we are very happy standing here all as a team of the Umsning Town Dorbar, along with the Sengken Thai, the Umsning Sports and Cultural Club, and all the 6 headmen under the jurisdiction of Umsning Town Dorbar. We are very glad to express our sincere gratitude to your commitment and to your commitment that this is a Christmas gift. So we are getting this solar street light in Umsning Town Dorbar. Thank you so much for all your commitment, and especially our honorable MLA who is present along with us here. Thank you so much, sir, for this Christmas gift, and I hope that lots of development as you promised on the 21st of November. I hope lots of development will be coming through your good office and your sincere efforts.